Today, high school students in City Heights are getting a chance to prepare for medical careers ahead of graduation. Many will get their nursing assistant certifications, and it is all for free. NBC7's Nicole Gomez has the story.
Learn4Life Charter School is in an unassuming strip mall right off of El Cajon Boulevard, but it's providing some big opportunities for all of the students who attend here.
I'm just hoping to keep going from now on and just keeping a straight face and going to school, hopefully getting my RN. We never know where life takes us in our paths, but I'm hoping that I build something for myself and my kids.
Jacqueline Rivera never finished high school. She has 2 kids, ages 6 and 2, and now she's getting ready to graduate and get her nursing assistant certification through Learn4Life Charter School and their partnership with the Dalrada Institute. The CNA program is about 4 weeks long, 2 on campus and 2 at a nursing home. The school provides the scrubs, all the equipment, and pays for the certification, worth about $3,000. So far, 75 students have earned their license in San Diego County, and the majority get employed right after graduation.
I think for a lot of them, I think it's really empowering. They've had challenging educational experiences where they may not have always experienced success in an educational environment. And so to come to our school and not only do well in our main program, but to have an opportunity to do career technical education, they're very proud. They walk around in their scrubs. They like to show off to everyone. I think it's a big source of pride, and it feels like a real accomplishment to them.
Well, this program is offered through most of their 10 San Diego locations, including Chula Vista, El Cajon, and Escondido. Reporting from City Heights, Nicole Gomez, NBC7.